It's another day of Vlogust, and today I'm just whipping up a pan of cornbread. So if you want to see me do that, keep watching. Welcome to This and That with Denise Jordan. I teach women how to make wise home health and beauty decisions so there's less chaos in their homes, they lead healthier lives, and they feel beautiful from the inside out. And today I'm just whipping up some plain old-fashioned cornbread. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel and you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and that kind of thing, or see product reviews about things you might benefit from in your own home, subscribe. But definitely check out the show notes in the description box below, because that's where I will link my favorite housekeeping and gardening solutions. Okay, so let's make some cornbread. First of all, I'm going to use a cup of cornmeal, and I've already got the cornmeal in this container here. This is how I store it. I keep this in the freezer and I store this in the cupboard. So I've got a cup of cornmeal in there. Cup of flour. 4 teaspoons of baking powder. And I'm going to put in 4 tablespoons of sugar. I like my cornbread to be just a tad bit sweet. Kind of like that Jiffy mix. Half a teaspoon of salt. And then I like to mix all that together. Just kind of stir it around so that it's just kind of all evenly mixed. Like so. And I just mix it like that. Now I'm going to add a cup of milk. One egg. And a 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. And I'll just mix that up. Sometimes I add a little bit more milk if I feel like it's too thick. And this is. Now, when I was a little girl, we made our cornbread in one of these old-fashioned black skillets, and for some reason today, I just felt like being a little nostalgic, so I thought I would do that. So I'm going to grease this skillet with some Crisco oil, or shortening I should say. As you can see, I need to add Crisco shortening to my list, and I'm just pretty much greasing the bottom of the pan. You don't want to grease too much of the sides, because I want it to have something to stick to as it rises. And then this set for a minute so that it could kind of come to a little bit of a peak. So now I'm just going to pour this mixture into the pan. And I will get these sweet potatoes out of the oven. And please note, they're in a dish. And if you want to know what I'm referring to, see my oven cleaning video. Now I'm going to put this in the oven at 425 for about 20 minutes. So here's my pan of cornbread. My husband couldn't wait to get it out of the oven. He's already sliced it, so we're about ready to get it on the table. Now here's my question for you. What was the most interesting part about today's cooking experience? Tell me in the comment section below. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about running a household, cooking and cleaning and laundry and health and beauty, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogust. I don't know why I felt nostalgic tonight. I just wanted cornbread made the old-fashioned way, so that's what I did.